Hi, I'm Chira of CarGuide.PH. So now, actually, we're on our way to Aguila Auto Glass kasi yung windshield ko, the other day, nag-crack siya. So, when that happened, so syempre, I live an active lifestyle. I drive a lot. So, hindi pwede for me na yung windshield is may crack kasi alam naman natin na delikado yon. So, nung nag-crack yung windshield ko, agad-agad I looked for a replacement part and I drive a 1 Series na 2009 model. So, it's more than 10 years old. So, naisip ko, medyo mahirap siguro maghanap ng windshield nito. So, Aguila Auto Glass, when I called them, instantly, they said that they do have a replacement windshield for my car. So, maybe just a day, meron na agad silang part na pwedeng ipadala to a branch that was near me. Mapapalitan na agad yung windshield ko. So now, I'll show you the process and how it's done in Aguila Auto Glass. Upon entering Banawe Street from Quezon Avenue, look for the red eagle head logo in a blue building. Aguila Auto Glass has been the recognized name in the Philippine glass industry for almost 7 decades. Now, with 25 branches across Luzon and with over 200 employees, the same virtues of quality and service still shine proudly. So, if you need glass replacement for your vehicle, visit Aguila Auto Glass in Banawe, Quezon City, or any Aguila Auto Glass branches near you. Make sure to look for the red eagle head logo for the legitimate Aguila Auto Glass. Follow them on their social media pages, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok at Aguila Auto Glass for updates and more information. So that was it. Our windshield is already replaced and it only took around like 1 to 2 hours and it's super smooth, it's super fast and there's nothing much that I can say. Super satisfied with the service of Aguila Auto Glass. So thank you, Aguila Auto Glass.